Okay, good morning everybody. This is Shane from MRF Metal Roofing Supply. I'm going to show you today how you can save money, save material on your metal roofing projects. Okay, what I want to explain to you is how to order these jobs so that you have zero waste on a hipped roof. Simple hipped roof will have zero waste if you do it properly. Also cuts down your time in installing because you make one cut and install two panels from one cut. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is you're going to need to measure your roof from corner to corner. Okay, this one is 37 feet. Okay, then you're going to measure from this corner to this corner. Okay, that's 32 feet. Therefore, the ridge is 5 feet. The difference between the two sides will be the ridge length. Okay, what you're going to do then is you're going to order, you see how many panels you got to order. Okay, so you're going to take 37 times 12 and you're going to divide that by the inches of the panel width that you have, the panels you're going to order. So on this, 37 feet is 27 panels. So you're going to have 27 panels over here. Okay, 26 point something. On the 32 foot side, you're going to have 23 panels, 22 point something. And then for the 5 foot ridge, because you got these panels right here are full, you're going to order 4 panels. Okay, so in total you're going to order 54 panels. Okay, and the length on these is going to be 18 foot because we measure from the eave to the ridge line exactly, with nothing on there, no overhang, no nothing, and we get 18 foot. Okay, this is in Texas where there's no snow, no worries about blowing rain on a 612 or nothing. We're going to put butyl on the Z-bar. We're going to hold our panels 2 inches off each side of the hip and ridge. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to snap a line 2 inches off each hip, off each ridge, all the way around the roof. You're going to pop these lines. It's very important to pop these lines. Okay, if you want to make your panel go up and fold over the hip, maybe you're up north and you got to fold your metal over the hip, then you're going to want to add however many inches you need to these panels. If you want to make it fold over the hip, you're going to need to add like 4 inches so that you have an inch on each side. We're going to order all the panels the same length, 18 foot. Okay, you're going to start on this corner. You're going to fold both ends of all the panels except for 8 panels. So 46 panels, you're going to fold both ends of the panel. Okay, you're going to use them panels right here. The only panels that don't get folded on each end are these panels that go on here, the 4 panels on each side that go on the ridge. So you're going to start right here. You're going to cut the top of that 18 foot panel off, and you're going to use the top part over here, but you're not going to install it right away. Whoops, right there. You're not going to install it right away. You're going to set it to the side in a pile off to the side somewhere. Save it for later. Okay, you're going to install the next panel. You're going to cut this off a full 18 footer right here. You're going to set the top part of the panel to the side. That will be this panel right here. Okay, you're going to do the same thing with this one. Cut this panel off right here. Okay, set the other part to the side. That'll be this panel. Okay, once you come up and across and down, you use your full panels right here, the 4 in the middle. Use your full panels right there. Okay, when you get to this corner, all these panels will be ready. You can install all these panels without cutting another panel. You just click them on, lickety split, screw them off, you're done. Okay, real simple. Okay, this side always goes to this side because of this angle right here. If you use the cuts from this side, they will work, but when you go downhill on the finished side, you're going to have to cut every panel because of the distance between the ridge is not an exact panel size. It's not, unless your panel was 17 inches and this ridge is 34 inches, it's not going to work out, or 51 inches, or any increment of 17. If it's not an increment of 17, you're going to end up cutting all these panels down this ridge, okay? So I'm going to show you why this works real quick, okay? We're going to do a little diagram here. You see this thing? This is the same triangle as that. This is the same triangle as that. This is the same triangle as that. That is the same triangle as this. Now let me show you something real quick, okay? Let's look what we got here. Here's your panels. 18-foot long panels for this whole building, okay? If you take this triangle right here, all these are your cutoffs, okay? This is your main body of your roof. These are your cutoffs. These are your cutoffs. Watch. That triangle will flip right there. See that? That triangle will flip right there. See which way the arrow's going? And that triangle will fit right there. See which way the arrow's going? So it'll work, people. I've done this for years and years and years of installing roofs, and this works. It will save you a fortune. You will win more bids. You won't be out on your panels. And if you're smart, you're going to order one extra 18-foot panel for each side. One for this side, one for that side. Because in today's market, with the way metal prices are, you do not want to be short on your job unless you're buying metal from us. And we didn't have to order it. If it's something we stock, you'll be good to go. But if you have to order, if somebody ordered your metal for you from someplace and you run out of panels in the middle of your job, you're going to be waiting 4 to 12 weeks to get panels to finish your job. Do not short yourself in this market. It's cheaper to order 36 extra feet. Watch my videos, subscribe, like, whatever, and just keep in touch. I'm going to show you some more roofs later on how to save material on your roofs, and you can order extra panels because of the material I'm saving you. It'll be nothing. This is, if you do this roof the typical way where they cut 1.6 off or 1.8 off each freaking piece of metal and throw it away in the trash, you're looking at 400 or 500 extra linear feet on this job. Instead of being 900,000 linear feet on this job, you're going to be at 1,400, 1,200, 1,400, something like that. Don't do it. Do it this way. Run a couple extra panels and be safe. Thanks. Have a great day. Call MRF Roofing Supply for any of your standing seam needs.